paint some things again. When I got this car so long ago, it came in a color called medium saddle with the paint code of 67L. And I had in my mind, and I was going to paint it with that yellow paint that I painted my other car with. I had that paint laying around for a year or so. So I kind of went through a lot of thinking of what I was going to paint it. Burnt orange was a big choice. I was going to do it a flat blue, like Miami blue, Porsche Miami blue. But then, I don't know if you remember, I painted these valve covers and with that red paint. Honestly, there is some need to check these out. These are like, that's like a candy coat over bare metal. This might be one of the coolest quick things I have done to this car. And I decided to do a different color. So I'm going to kind of go back to the roots a little bit fancier. Medium saddle looks like gold on paint gold. Because of the candy color, I need to determine what undertone to paint it. So I'm going to paint this for practice. And I'm going to use white on one side and like a light silver, bright, this is called bright silver, on the other side, and see which I like better. Okay, let's open this. Right. This looks pretty gold. This will be good because then I can just use this. Yellowish gold. That's very gold. Very pretty. That is gorgeous. Ran out of mixing cups, so I'm going to improvise. Okay, I want to just fill it up to like lemon lime. There. Let's see. Right there. Alright, time to take a look at this under the bright light. That's the silver side. Man, like mustard tone to it. This side looks like Dr. Scrooge's gold. Let's get the corners, the curves. Man, that is really pretty. Let's look at the other side. Curves now in the sun. So it has a bit of green to it. Man, I wish I could capture that better. Because in real life, that is really gorgeous. Let's try another pose. Here it is in the shadow. Man, I would be very happy with either one of these colors. I just need 2 cars. This side over here looks like an Aztec gold. We'll call this side Aztec goldish. This side is Dr. Scrooge gold. It's definitely more yellow. Man, I just don't know what to do. That's the conundrum that I have now, is which side to pick. I think the only downside to this gold side over on this side is it gives off a little bit of green. The silver I used was called bright silver. So I'm wondering if I go even a little bit lighter. Even just a hint lighter. GM makes a silver. You know, my daughter's car kind of has the same silver as that GM. Just like this really fine silver. But man, look how good that looks. So either one of those are really gorgeous. That just, when you're like at this angle, that looks too yellow. This still looks gold, but it starts to turn a little bit green because of the darkness of the garage. Kind of hard to decide, actually. Good step in the right direction. Time to get on to more of this list.